Hey guys, today we're going to do the first time setup of Samsung Galaxy A73. If you have Samsung Galaxy A73 and now you want to make a first time setup of your device, let's see how can you do this. First of all, you'll get the welcome screen here, and here you just have to select your device language. Just select the language from here which you want and then select OK. As I've selected English United Kingdom, just select OK from here. Then select start for start your setup, and here you'll get the for your review. You just have to select agree to all to agree all the privacy policy and user license agreement and sending of diagnostic data. Just select agree in the bottom right corner, and here just make a easy setup with another device. If you're using any device, you can easily use that to make a easy setup, but I'm going to set them manually from here. Just select the third option, and here to the Wi-Fi network. If you have any Wi-Fi, you can easily choose the Wi-Fi from here, but if you won't have, just select skip. I'm going to select the Wi-Fi, and here just enter the password and then select connect to connect with the Wi-Fi. So after that, just select next in the bottom right corner, and after that you'll get this type screen which is getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes, so you just have to wait for its loading, and after that we'll continue. Just wait for it. So after that, you will get this type screen which is copy apps and data. If you want to copy your apps, data, photos, contacts, Google account and much more, you can easily copy that. But I'm going to select don't copy from here, and then you will get this type screen which is checking info. You must have to wait for its loading, and after that you have to sign into your Google account. So just wait for it. And here's the Google sign-in screen. If you have any Google account, you can easily log in here. But if you won't have an account, just select create account and you can easily create new account from here. But I'm going to skip this. Just select skip, then select skip here. And here you have protect your phone. If you want to protect your phone, your face recognition, fingerprints, pattern, pin or password, you can easily and create that. But I'm going to skip it and set up later in setting this. Let's skip anyway. And here there are some Google services. You must have to accept them, and after you will get the reception which is getting your phone ready. You must have to wait, and then your Samsung account settings. If you have any Samsung account, you can easily log in here with your email, phone number, or any QR code. But if you forgot an password or create new one, just select the third option, and here just select create account if you want to create an account. If you forgotten your account ID, you can easily recover that. If you have forgotten your password, you can easily recover your password. But I'm going to select setup later in settings, and here just skip this. And here you must have to select all. These are some terms and conditions and much more settings. Just have to select agree in the bottom right corner, then select agree again. And here your display mode which you want is light and dark. I'm going to select light, then select next, and here just wait for its loading. And that's all. You're all set up now. You just have to select home to go to your home screen. So that's how you can easily make a hard reset or first time setup of your Samsung Galaxy A73. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.